In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use the System Restore functionality inside of Windows 10. First, let's go ahead and open up the control panel by searching for it. Here it is. And we are going to go up to our System and Security. If the window does not look like this, make sure your view by is selected to Category. We're going to click the green text System and Security. We're going to go down here and click the green text System. On this window, we're going to go on to the left side and click Advanced System Settings. And then on this tab, we can now close the control panel. We are going to click System Protection. And we can currently see our local disk C protection is off. So let's go ahead and configure this. Let's turn on System Protection. And my general rule of thumb is I set 15% on my personal computers. You can of course select whatever percentage you like, but let's do 20 for the example. We're going to go ahead and apply and OK. And now we can see that our system protection is on. So let's go ahead and create a baseline restore point. So we'll call this clean copy. That'll work. And let's hit create. This will create a system restore point. It has been created successfully. And now we can see if we go under our system restore, I'm going to click next. We can see that we have one restore point that was manually made. And if our system ever crashes or we're having several Windows bugs, we are able to restore back to that point. And that is how you use the System Restore functionality inside of Windows 10. This has been a video by nephew.tech.com, and I hope you've learned something.